Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today I have an informative video for you guys. I have decided to include YouTube exclusive memberships on this channel, also known as the join button. It's the button that's right beside the subscribe button. You can also choose to join a particular YouTuber's channel where you can get certain perks. So I'm here today to explain to you how it works. So there are tiers that a YouTube content creator can create for their YouTube exclusive memberships. So I have decided to have 3 different levels. The first level is my Dollar Divas and Dollar Dudes. And that level will only be 99 cents because, hey, I'm the Dollar Diva, so we're going to do things that's $1 around here for the best bargain. So this tier is for my Dollar Divas and my Dollar Dudes, and it is for those who simply would like to support me on my coloring journey, and it will also allow me to continue to bring you valuable and entertaining content on this YouTube channel. So your donation of 99 cents will assist in helping me to provide you with informative video tutorials, art supply, and coloring book reviews. So I genuinely offer you my heartfelt thank you if you decide to join this tier. You will also receive the power to vote and be able to choose what type of content that I produce and record. So you will also have the privilege to know in advance what I'm working on, whether it be a new series, a haul, a future color along. You will receive first notice of all the deals and steals that I come across in my bargain hunting adventures. So, wouldn't that be an awesome thing to be a part of for only 99 cents? I just like saying the word 99 cents. So tier number 2 will be my sparkling divas and dudes. It's only $4.99. Now, in this tier, you will receive all of the same perks that was in tier number 1. But you will also receive behind the scene updates. You will receive level up power of voting, meaning that you will get like second place in deciding what type of videos that I record. I will give you like a choice. Should I record this video about this review? Should I record this video about a particular way to use a coloring supply? You will receive second place being able to vote and get your requests done, okay? So you will also be provided color pencil combinations and guidance, valuable advice on how to improve your coloring skills. So I will be available via messaging or email to give you personally any type of coloring coaching assistance that you may need on any project that you may be working on. So that's tier number 2. Now, the last tier, number 3, will be all of my sparkling kings and queens. This tier is $14.99. So you will be the highest, most exclusive members only part of the community. You will receive all of the above tiers, plus you will get first place in the power to vote on what type of content I release and record on this channel. You will also have the privilege of receiving one-on-one color coaching assistance with your coloring projects via a monthly invitation-only Zoom hangout session with me, where we will discuss all things coloring, answer questions, give each other suggestions and advice on current projects. And we will also color together, and we will also chat and have some fun during that monthly session. So guys, please always remember that by being active and supportive in this coloring community, you are definitely part of something special. And I would like to give you, again, my heartfelt thanks for being supportive and watching my YouTube videos. Guys, even if you're not subscribed, I appreciate each and every one of you. You guys make my day every day. Every time I see a new subscriber add to my subscriber count, every time I see a comment that's just so uplifting and amazing, every time I just get a like on my video, I just feel like these butterflies inside, and I get kind of choked up because I am so appreciative that so many of you actually find what I am trying to do beneficial. So it's very, 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 it's hard to explain in so many words, but I love what I do, and I don't want anyone to ever feel that they have to subscribe to this. This is completely and absolutely optional. It's just a way for me to continue with my goal of trying to teach the skills and the tips and tricks that I have come across in my journey of adult coloring. I want to share those with you, but I want to be able to share it with those who are interested in that particular thing. I don't want to just make videos and just be putting out videos when half of the people are interested in one thing and the other half of people are interested in other things. So you don't really get watch, the video doesn't get watched on this end, but this one doesn't get watched on that end. This will allow me to connect personally with you and for you to suggest or get the information that you are particularly looking for, because everyone doesn't need help with blending and shading. Everyone doesn't want to know what new coloring books are out. Everyone doesn't want to know how to, how to create depth in your coloring pages. Everyone doesn't want to know the same thing or learn the same thing. So this will allow everyone to just narrow down and be able to best utilize the knowledge that I've compiled in these past 3 years that I've been adult coloring. So guys, that is that. I wanted to just make this video so that you guys could understand what is really going on with this exclusive YouTube membership and how it works. So guys, if you have any other questions or comments, please leave them down in the comment section below. I will also be including all of this information in the description box below so that you can read over it and decide if it's something that you are interested in. So guys, again, thank you for being a part of my coloring journey. I want for us to continue to grow and learn together and be able to support one another in this journey. We need one another more than ever during these critical and hard to deal with times. So if this is something that you're interested in, I would really appreciate if you would just consider it. Remember, no obligation, no pressure, just something that you can consider, okay? So guys, thank you again for hanging out with me for this short time, and just have a wonderful rest of the day. Don't let anyone steal your joy from you today. So as always, happy coloring. Bye.